Hello, and welcome to another short story for English listening practice for beginners. Today's story is about Olivia's morning routine before she goes to work. So, let's start. Olivia is a young woman, 25 years old. She lives alone in a small apartment in the city. Today is Monday, and she works in an office. Her workday starts at 8 o'clock in the morning. At 6:30 in the morning, Olivia's alarm goes off. She blinks her eyes open slowly, she's still tired. "Just 5 more minutes," she whispers. But she knows it's time to get up. She switches off the alarm and sits up in bed, taking a moment to find the motivation to start her day. Olivia goes to the bathroom. She washes her face, then brushes her teeth. After that, she takes a warm shower. Feeling more awake after her shower, Olivia is ready for breakfast, so she walks to the kitchen. She's hungry and decides to make pancakes with strawberry jam, along with a cup of green tea. She eats slowly, sipping her tea and gazing out the window, wondering what kind of day lies ahead. After finishing breakfast, Olivia walks back to her bedroom. She opens her closet and chooses her outfit for the day, a simple white dress and a pair of comfortable shoes. She brushes her short black hair, then applies some deodorant, a touch of perfume, and a little makeup. Before heading out, Olivia double-checks her bag. She makes sure she has her phone, keys, wallet, a small snack, and a bottle of water. With everything in place, she's ready to head to work. Thanks for watching this short English listening practice. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe for more English videos.